Durable design. This cupcake pan is suitable and designed for any lifestyle. Its stain, scratch, and rust-resistant surface so that will not warp or corrode, making it ready to go when you are. Sleek stainless steel construction ensures that this lightweight muffin pan is long-lasting and easy to clean, so it can be ready to go when you are. 1-2 ITEM capability. With 12 individual slots, this pan is ideal for party prep or personal use. Try using it for cupcakes, muffins, cornbread, and more. Dishwasher safe. Non-reactive and non-porous, this tray has the ability to withstand extreme temperatures and heavy scrubbing. It's also dishwasher safe, making it that much easier to clean. Measurements. This muffin pan weighs 14.4 ounces and has dimensions of 10.5 by 13.75 by 1.25 inches. Bake mouthwatering muffins with this muffin pan. Our beautifully crafted stainless steel bakeware features a stain, scratch, and rust-resistant surface that will not warp or corrode, but will preserve its elegant shine over time. Having the ability to withstand extreme temperatures and heavy scrubbing, this non-reactive and non-porous pan will provide for years of safe and successful baking. The pan features 12 molds, perfect for muffins or cupcakes, that will evenly brown due to the pan's uniform heat transferring ability. Works great with or without cupcake liners. Enjoy a warm, soft and perfectly domed muffin in the morning to get your day started on a good note, and bake Fox Run. Top reviews from the United States. Best baking pan ever. Very nice stainless steel pan. It is a thin pan, but seems to cook really well, and I think the thin design helps with heat transference. Food browns very nice in the pan without getting overly brown on the bottom. I've used the pan for everything from scalloped potatoes to cornbread. Easy to clean with a sponge that has a soft scratchy side. If something really sticks, which it doesn't usually, just use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend. The pan is really shiny and I think overall I am going to get many years of good cooking use with it.